from Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County, 2 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Steuben, or near Easton, moving northeast 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof. Power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Northampton, Allentown, Nazareth, Bender, Ann Arbor, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Belfast. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 66 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1. In New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 8. For your protection, move to an intersection. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties: 1. New Jersey, and the following